Hey, quick health check. How long have you had that cough? Cough, typically caused by common cold, flu, or allergens, should clear up within 7 to 10 days. If a cough lasts more than 5 days without improvement, it may be concerning. And if it goes on for more than 2 weeks, you should definitely see a doctor. It could be something more serious like bronchitis, pneumonia, or even tuberculosis. Don't just keep popping cough syrup. See a healthcare professional. The earlier the better. So tell us, have you ever had a cough that just wouldn't go away? Drop your experience in the comments.